show you guys a trick that I've come up with for oiling cast iron pans. Um, as you know, oil and water don't mix, right? So what I found over the years is if I put oil in my pan and I, immediately take my dry paper towel and start wiping it around, a lot gets soaked up into the paper towel, and that's not very helpful. So what I do is I'll put it in just a little bit of water. It's not that much, it's only covering about half of this paper towel. And then I'll start wiping the oil around. So that way I'm mostly spreading the oil that I put in the pan. It's not soaking up into the paper towel as much as if it were dry, and just super helpful that way. So let me bring this one over. I even have enough left on so that I can keep spreading here. Again, it hasn't soaked fully into the paper towel. Steal a little bit more from here. The other trick, if you don't know, when you're spreading oil on a cast iron, you want to put it on, you want it to kind of soak into all the little cracks and whatnot. And then you actually want to wipe off the oil. You don't want it to sit as like a pool, because as it sits there and it dries up, it's going to kind of congeal, and it'll get sticky. And so things will stick to the pan more than if you wipe it off. If you like the video so far, please give a thumbs up so that others may see it, and consider subscribing so that you can see other videos I've posted.